Hi everybody, today I'm over at Universal Studios and we're checking out all of the Wicked merch. I gotta tell you, this went above and beyond, everything from the displays to the quality of the merchandise. I can't even, if you're a fan of the movie and you're heading to Universal, please take a moment and check out all of this gorgeousness. They even have some of the props on display. There's the Glenda training wand and the real wand. Take a look at that. Of course, they're not for sale, but just seeing them in real life was pretty special. All right, let's take a tour around all of the different shopping experiences over at Universal supporting Wicked. There's this really cool Emerald City vibe going on, and I love how they worked a lot of props into the different displays. Now let's take a look at this gorgeous jewelry. It's all very interactive with moving parts. I love all of the shiz. It's so awesome. There's a lot of collegiate kind of looks going on throughout the whole park. Of course, you've got all your classic sort of emerald green and blacks there. And then look at this display. This is Glenda's section. It's just unbelievable. This looks like the most complete collection of the jewelry at the park. And this stuff is really just gorgeous. I'm gonna take some close-ups here in a second. Take a look at this train case. It's got a little latch on it. It's gonna open up and there's a little butterfly surprise. So cute. I would love to have a giant version of that for myself. Oh, so adorable. This is the Wizard of Oz, and you can see you can open that up. You could even glue stick a little picture in there. That's a cool little locket. They've got earrings, rings, all of it. You can really see that they're picking up on that Glenda vibe. You even got the G's hanging there. So cute, and tons of butterflies. Lots and lots and lots of butterflies. Of course, we have all of our traditional backpacks, but look how cute the train case is. That's a purse. We've got pop dolls. I saw pop dolls at a couple of different spots throughout the park. Of course, there's tons of t-shirts, but these displays really went above and beyond. Such a gorgeous shopping experience. All right, let's head on over to check out some more stuff. Of course, they even have pajamas. And there was quite a good selection of sweet treats and chocolates and things that would make a great little favor or something that you could be bringing home. The clothing really went above and beyond the traditional t-shirt or hoodie. Look at this gorgeous sweater. I love the green and pink working there together. So cool. And of course, we've got our Lego sets and our dolls. And I did find all of the dolls, including the sister at the other store. Okay, now this store here, oh, you can see there that they've got all three of the dolls, but they also have them on CityWalk. So if you wanted these dolls, you wouldn't need to enter the park. So this here is the traditional Universal store. This is where they normally have a giant full display of whatever is new and up and coming. This will be right as you enter the park on the left-hand side. The first store that I was at is a little further down on the right-hand side near where you find Hello Kitty. These dolls are absolutely gorgeous. So much detail. Over at this store, oh, well, the wine glasses, those are perfect for me. I love those so much. This store did have a lot of the shiz stuff as well. And there's more of that candy that I was showing you earlier. Those hats are pretty cool. They remind me of the actual Broadway show hats. More Lego sets. I did see these Lego sets at Target as well. And of course the pop dolls, which I've seen at lots of different places too. Some specialty candies. Just sort of some traditional totes and things that Universal generally does put logos on. These are some pretty cool pins, some more Shiz pins. And they have lots of different Shiz merchandise at this store here, including these notebooks, tons of different t-shirts and things like that. You've even got a big dorm-sized bath towel there. And this was my absolute favorite. It's a chenille pin, but that's got a metal backing. This was about 12 bucks. Very cool. And again, it was really top quality. And I love this pennant. I'm kind of kicking myself that I didn't buy that pennant, and I'm probably going back for it. All right, let's take a look at the drink that my girls and I got. This was over at the Hollywood and Dine, and if you're familiar with Universal Studios Hollywood, you know that this is one of the restaurants that they switch out from time to time for various themes. So right now it is the Wicked theme, so they're going to have specialty drinks and foods to celebrate the movie. So we decided upon the Oz Dust Punch. That was the non-alcoholic drink. There were 2 drinks that did have alcohol with them, but it was early in the day. I was with my kids, so we passed. And they have some different desserts and things like that. So those would be the 2 that would be the alcoholic. And then this is our non-alcoholic, the blue one, which was the Oz Dust Punch. And it was fantastic. That's a dried grapefruit there in the top. It was really delicious. We all 3 just split one because we didn't know what to expect. And then we were kind of like, we should go get another one. So we ended up getting 2 of them, but drank them between the 3 of us. Now our last stop is on CityWalk. So as we head out of Universal Studios, you're going to see the store that they generally change over, UNIVRS, Universe. And this is a specialty store for sure. They're going to have really cool signature pieces from different artists and different pieces that celebrate the movie. You can see here all the different Shiz things on display. So you don't have to go to the park to go to this store. This store is right there on CityWalk. Really cute stuff. And here are those dolls. We've got our sister. That is Nessa. And we've got Glenda, I think is next. Let's see, Glenda. Yep. And of course, we have our Wicked Witch. She looks amazing. Her hair and everything, the details are just so good. Well, thanks so much for joining me on this little Wicked shopping tour. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing all of this cool merch. It was truly all so well made and beautiful. Have a great trip to Universal Studios. And if you love Wicked as much as I do, give me a thumbs up. Bye.